Correct it, nitrous oxide. It is nitrous oxide. Yes, Varun, now you will answer. Which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? Carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide or hydrogen?
And hydrogen.
Very good. Can you tell me, beta, which are the greenhouse gases? Can you name all the greenhouse gases?
Which absorb maximum rays of sunlight is called greenhouse effect gas.
Can you name the names of the gases?
Yes, ma'am. Carbon dioxide, CFC, carbon fluorocarbon, and
Methane.
methane, and nitrous
Oxide.
oxide.
Ozone layer and water vapor. All are the examples of greenhouse gases. So please tick mark it. Its answer is D, hydrogen. Which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? Its answer is D, hydrogen. Please mark it quickly, everyone. First D. Okay. Okay, our next question is, which is not a cause for the increase in carbon dioxide concentration in the atmosphere? First of all, Natik, listen to me very carefully, then you will answer. Deforestation is a cause of carbon dioxide or not? Tell me.
Yes.
Yes. Combustion of petrol and diesels in the vehicles में पेट्रोल डीजल का जलना, ये भी क्या है? कॉज है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का. ओके. कंबशन ऑफ कोल इन थर्मल पावर स्टेशन, जो कोयले का जलना थर्मल पावर प्लांट में, ये भी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का कॉज है. सो बेटा, व्हाट इज द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन? कैन यू आंसर? वेरी गुड. व्हाट इज ग्लोबल वार्मिंग? कैन यू टेल मी व्हाई इट इज नॉट अ कॉज ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड?
अर्थ में सन की रेज पड़ती हैं, तब अर्थ का टेम्परेचर हाई हो जाता है, उसे ग्लोबल वार्मिंग कहते हैं.
Very good. So it is not a cause of carbon dioxide. It increases the temperature of the earth. It is not a cause of carbon dioxide. Very good, Natik. Very good. So its answer will be C. Quickly mark it. Second C. Quickly. Okay. Our next question is, Ganga Action Plan was launched in, Kritik. Can you answer? Kritik.
मैम 1985.
वेरी गुड. गंगा एक्शन प्लान मीन्स गंगा को क्लीन किया गया था, गंगा रिवर को. इट वाज लॉन्च्ड इन 1985. उसको 1985 में लॉन्च किया गया था. अर्पण कुमार, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. गंगा रिवर इज मोस्ट पोल्यूटेड एट वाराणसी और कानपुर?
मैम कानपुर.
वेरी गुड. इट्स आंसर इज कानपुर. गुड. So, fourth B is the answer, कानपुर. Mark it. सबसे ज्यादा गंगा रिवर कहाँ polluted है? It is in कानपुर. Okay. Okay, let us see next question. Question number 5. Which of the following affects the ozone layer? Uttam Thama, answer this question. Which of the following affects the ozone layer? Carbon dioxide, CFC, soot or dust?
Ma'am, CFC.
Very good. Chlorofluorocarbon is the main cause of depletion of ozone layer. Okay, Bhavesh, can you tell me ozone layer is present in which layer?
मैम पता नहीं.
Sanjay, can you tell me, beta, ozone layer is present in which layer of air?
Stratosphere.
Stratosphere. Very good. And when ozone layer depletes, what will happen?
Ma'am, greenhouse gases effect.
No. Who will tell me? Havish, can you tell me? If ozone layer depletes, what will happen?
Ma'am, it will happen CFCs, ma'am.
It will affect our
Environment, ma'am.
environment. Very good. And which is enter in the environment if ozone layer depletes?
Ma'am, ultraviolet rays
Of sun. Very good. So ozone layer protect us from the
ma'am,
UV rays of the
harmful gases.
Very good. So ozone layer is depleted from CFC gas. So its answer will be B. Fifth B is the answer. Mark it fifth B. Next question. Yes, you will answer. Question number 6. Which is not a source of sulfur dioxide production? SO2 किससे नहीं प्रोड्यूस होती है बेटा? देखिए, वोल्केनिक इरप्शंस, जब लावा निकलता है तब क्या सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड प्रोड्यूस होती है?
मैम, एक्शन ऑफ बैक्टीरिया ऑफ फर्टिलाइजर.
Shreyansh, you will answer this question. Which is not a source of sulfur dioxide production? Volcanic eruption is a cause of sulfur dioxide production.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Roasting of sulfide ores. Sulfide ores को जलाना. It is also a cause of
Ma'am,
sulfur
SO2.
dioxide.
Sulfur
Very good.
dioxide.
Combustion of coal is a कोयले
Yes,
को जलाना. Yes. Which is not a source of sulfur dioxide production?
Ma'am, action of bacteria of
Fertilizer. Very good.
fertilizers.
बैक्टीरिया का डिकम्पोज करना, इट इज नॉट अ एक्शन ऑफ सोर्स ऑफ सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड प्रोडक्शन. सो इट्स आंसर विल बी डी. वेरी गुड. गुड श्रेयांश. इट्स आंसर इज डी. सिक्स्थ डी इज द आंसर. Ibrahim, what are you doing? Ibrahim and Islam, show me your book first of all. You are always playing in the class. Show me your book. Where are you doing your work? Quickly. Sit separately. Okay, Devansh, you will answer next question. Question number 7. Which of the following is the environment rich, or which of the following environment is richest in free oxygen? किसमें बेटा सबसे ज्यादा ऑक्सीजन होती है? वार्म फ्रेश वाटर, एटमॉस्फेयर, कोल्ड फ्रेश वाटर और सॉल्ट वाटर?
Atmosphere.
Very good. Its answer is atmosphere. And atmosphere is related with
Air.
air. Very good. So its answer will be B. Seventh B is the answer. And what is the percentage of oxygen in air? Abhay, can you answer? What is the percentage
ma'am.
of oxygen in air?
Yes, ma'am. 21%.
Very good. Karthik, what is the percentage of nitrogen in air? Karthik.
Ma'am, 78.
Very good. And Yash, carbon dioxide? Yash, what is the percentage of carbon dioxide in air?
Carbon dioxide. Air.
Yuvraj, can you answer beta? What is the percentage of carbon dioxide in air?
It's 0.03%.
0.03%. Very good.
Okay.
Next. Good beta. Devang Singhal, next question. The ozone layer in our atmosphere protect us from the bad effects of the sun's ultraviolet rays, carbon dioxide, CFC, all of the above. What will be the answer? The ozone layer in our atmosphere protect us from the bad effect of. Question number 8. The sun's ultraviolet rays, carbon dioxide, CFC gas, all of these. Sun, Yug, answer this question. Yug, answer this question, beta. Quickly. The ozone layer in our atmosphere protect us from the bad effects of the sun's ultraviolet rays, carbon dioxide, CFC, all of the above. Tell me the answer, beta, quickly. Ozone layer किसके bad effects से बचाती है हमें? Unmute yourself, beta. You unmute yourself first of all. Lakshay, tell me the answer. Lakshay.
Yes, ma'am.
What will be the answer of this question? Question number 8.
Ma'am, ma'am, all of these.
No, beta. What is the function of ozone layer? Dhanna Kumar, tell me.
मैम इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए।
Very good. Its answer is A. Ozone layer protect us from the bad effect of sun's ultraviolet rays. हमें sun की ultraviolet rays से बचाना. That is the function of ozone layer. So its answer is A. The sun's ultraviolet rays. 8A is the answer. Next question number 9. Anirudh Gautam. Which of the following is an oxygen demanding waste? First of all, understand what is oxygen demanding waste. Oxygen demanding waste is those waste which is produced by or decomposed by bacteria. Okay, oxygen demanding waste means, write it down, the waste which is decomposed by bacteria. Write it down. What is oxygen demanding waste? The waste which is decomposed by the bacteria. And bacteria decompose the pesticides. Pesticides को बेटा means दवाइयों को करता है decompose, oil को करता है, ग्रीस को करता है, या डोमेस्टिक सीवरेज को. यस अनिरुद्ध गौतम, व्हाट इज डोमेस्टिक सीवरेज? डू यू नो?
मैम डोमेस्टिक सीवरेज को
द वेस्ट वाटर ऑफ किचन. किचन का वेस्ट वाटर, जो किचन का पानी होता है, या बाथरूम, या फिर लॉन्ड्री, जो washing. So can you answer beta? Answer this question. Which of the following is an oxygen demanding waste? The waste which is decomposed by the bacteria. Now which waste is decomposed by the bacteria? Just answer. Pesticides, oil, grease या domestic sewage? जो हमारा सीवरेज का
Domestic sewage.
वेरी गुड. जो हमारे घर का वेस्ट वाटर होता है, जो भी उसमें पार्टिकल्स होते हैं, उनको डिकम्पोज करना. इट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ बैक्टीरिया. सो इट्स आंसर विल बी बेटा डी. डोमेस्टिक सीवरेज इज द आंसर. 9th D is the answer. Please and write this all stuff which I have written on the board. Please write it down in your book quickly. Everyone write it down. Domestic sewage means waste water of your kitchen, bathrooms and laundry. Next question, Yogeshwar, you will answer. Let us see next question. Have you done beta? Yogeshwar, have you done beta? Have you write this? Okay, good. Okay beta, good. Everyone done? Ruchi, can you show me your book, Ruchi? Where are you doing your work? Can you show me? Yash, Amandeep, quickly beta switch on your videos. Everyone switch on your video. Gulshan Yadav, show me your book. Where are you doing your work? Gulshan, show me your book. Where are you doing your work? Okay. Good. Now, Yogeshwar, answer this question beta. Next question, question number 10. Which of the following is of are for disinfecting water? बेटा disinfected water के लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं?
Ma'am, option D.
Which is impure? Chlorine. We use chlorine tablets, ozone layer, ultraviolet rays, or all of these. which we use.
Ma'am, all of this.
No. Havish, can you tell me which of the following?
मैम इसका आंसर क्लोरीन.
Very good. Chlorine is used for disinfecting water, means the water which is impure, we use chlorine tablets for it. Please mark it 10th A. It is given incorrect. ये बेटा incorrect दिया हुआ है पीछे आंसर्स में, प्लीज करेक्ट इट.
पूरा वीडियो देखने के लिए और लेटेस्ट एग्जाम अपडेट्स जानने के लिए डाउनलोड करें कैरियर डिफेंस स्कूल का एंड्रॉयड ऐप.